Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can use Instagram Instants. So first of all, head over to your Instagram application. As you do that, you will see a page like this, then tap onto the message button. And likewise, you will be able to see the option of Instant on your bottom right hand side. If it's not visible, make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. Now, right here, if you would like to add an instant or simply view somebody else's instance, what you have to do is tap onto it. Now, the major rule for instance are that it can only be viewed once. For example, if your friends have added any instance, and if you view it once, the instances will be gone, and it will simply open up your camera asking if you would like to add a new one. If you prefer to add a new one, simply open your camera and maybe take a picture. Tap on the plus button, and as you do that, tap on this recently viewed icon. And you can see this is the instance that I've already added. It says this is only visible to you. So you may go ahead and add it to your close friends list. And as you do that, your instant will be added. And if your friends view your instant, they can view it once, and after that, it will be immediately gone. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is to use Instant. Thank you for watching.